Okay, let's unpack this. Imagine finding something truly massive, hiding in plain sight, that could rewrite the record books for an entire continent. Today, we're taking a deep dive into an incredible recent discovery from Australia. A creature so big, it might just be the heaviest insect on the continent.
It's absolutely fascinating. And what's really interesting here isn't just its size, though that's definitely part of it. It's also about where it lives and, well, how it was finally identified.
Right.
So yeah, we're going to explore the unique world of Acrifila alta, the Highlands giant Acrifila. Our mission today is really to understand this new species, its very specific habitat, and why its discovery is so significant.
Okay, so a record breaker revealed, this is where it gets really interesting. This newly described species, Acrifila alta, it was described in 2025 by Copland and Angus Emmett.
That's right, and it's believed to be Australia's heaviest insect. We're talking about an individual weighing up to 44 grams.
44 grams, wow. For context, what's that like?
Well, think of a golf ball. It's comparable to a golf ball in weight.
A golf ball, goodness.
Yeah, and with its legs outstretched, it can reach around 41 centimeters. That's significantly longer than an average human forearm.
That is huge. So connecting this to the bigger picture, there are longer stick insects out there, right?
Exactly. Longer ones exist, but they tend to be much lighter bodied.
Yeah.
This sheer weight makes A. alta pretty unique. It could potentially be even heavier than the giant burrowing cockroach, which, was previously considered a contender for Australia's heaviest.
Right, I remember that one.
And its body length, around 265 to 279 millimeters, that also clearly distinguishes it from other related species like A. titan.
So where does an insect this substantial actually live? It must need a specific place.
It really does. And that's part of why it stayed hidden for so long. This giant makes its home way up high in the canopy of very tall trees.
That's why.
We're talking 30 to 60 meters up.
60 meters, wow.
Yeah, in the Atherton Tablelands, that's a highland tropical forest area in Queensland. And the species name, alta, actually refers to that it's high elevation, usually above 900 meters above sea level.
Okay, so living 60 meters up a tree. You can imagine how difficult that makes it to study.
Absolutely. It really underscores the challenge of exploring these high-altitude rainforest canopies. There are probably many insect species up there that remain understudied or completely overlooked just because it's so hard to get to them.
Which brings us to the discovery story. It wasn't scientists rappelling down from helicopters then.
No, not initially. The story is actually quite fascinating, and it's a brilliant example of citizen science.
Oh, how so?
Amateur naturalists, just people interested in nature, they actually came across specimens at lower altitudes.
Lower altitudes, but you said they live high up.
Exactly. The thinking is they were probably knocked loose from the canopy during tropical storms. These naturalists then uploaded their observations, photos probably, to iNaturalist.
Ah, the app. I've heard of that.
Yeah, and that's where entomologist Copland spotted them. He saw these observations and realized this might be something new or unusual.
That's amazing. Citizen science really kicking things off.
It really is fantastic. But, for the formal scientific description, they needed more. Collecting actual specimens was key, especially the eggs.
The eggs, why were they so important?
Well, every species of stick insect has its own unique egg style, like really distinct. Different surfaces, textures, pitting, even unique little caps on them. These details were absolutely crucial for confirming A. alta was indeed a new species.
Huh. I never knew insect eggs were so specific.
Oh, incredibly so in this group. So the original specimens, including the main one, they based the description on the holotype that was collected in November 2024. And there were other supporting ones, paratypes, from February 2025. They're all safely lodged at the Queensland Museum now.
Okay, let's circle back to that weight. 44 grams. You mentioned it's not just a fun fact, it might be a survival strategy.
That's a really interesting hypothesis, yeah. Researchers are theorizing that this higher body mass, being heavier, could actually help it manage heat loss.
How so?
Well, its habitat is cool, wet, and at a high altitude. So having a larger, heavier body might reduce the rate it loses heat. It's about thermoregulation.
Okay, that makes sense. Like larger animals in colder climates.
Precisely. It suggests the weight could be particularly beneficial for the stick insect's egg development in those specific cool, damp conditions.
Yeah.
Of course, it's still a hypothesis.
Right. Needs more research.
Definitely.
I think.
More research is needed to fully confirm it, but it really highlights how even a physical trait like weight can be a critical adaptation.
It's just incredible to think that an insect this colossal, I saw one source call it chonky, could have evaded detection for so long.
It really is.
It truly shows how much we still have to learn about the world around us, even in places we think we know well.
Absolutely. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, the discovery of A. alta isn't just about one cool, heavy insect. It's a powerful testament to the importance of protecting these biologically diverse habitats, especially the ones that are harder to reach, like high canopies. It raises an important question for you, listening right now. What other amazing species might still be out there, waiting to be discovered in the unexplored corners of our planet?